Is your dryer failing to start, stopping mid-cycle, or displaying unusual error codes? A faulty electronic PCB assembly could be disrupting your dryer's performance. Welcome to PartsMelange. The electronic PCB assembly can fail due to power surges, overheating, moisture exposure, electrical stress, or long-term component wear. When the board is unable to process signals correctly, the dryer may experience control issues, heating problems, cycle interruptions, or communication faults. The electronic PCB assembly is located inside the control console at the top front section of the dryer, behind the user interface panel. This component manages communication between the control panel, sensors, motor, and heating system. Before troubleshooting, disconnect the dryer from the power source and follow all recommended safety precautions. Begin the troubleshooting process with the proper diagnostic equipment, including a multimeter, flashlight, insulated gloves, and the appliance's technical documentation. Examine the control console area for indications of PCB failure such as burnt marks, discoloration, corrosion, or unusual odors. Persistent error codes in a regular dryer operation may also point to a problem with the control board. Use the multimeter to verify that proper voltage is reaching the dryer. If the appliance has power but remains unresponsive, displays recurring errors, or multiple functions stop working at the same time, the electronic PCB assembly may be malfunctioning. After all checks, if the electronic PCB assembly is no longer functioning properly, check the link in the description to find the correct replacement part. For genuine replacement parts and repair essentials, visit PartsMelange.ca. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more troubleshooting tips, repair guides, and product updates. Thanks for watching.